charging stations depend on reliable connectivity for payments, remote monitoring, and software updates. But what happens if the network drops? That's where eSIM technology comes in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about eSIMs for EV charging stations and why they're a game changer. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Unlike traditional SIM cards, eSIMs are built directly into the device and can be updated remotely. This means no physical SIM swaps, no manual interventions, just seamless, continuous connectivity. Depending on the provider, eSIMs can support multi-carrier coverage. If one network has weak coverage, the charger automatically switches to the strongest available signal, ensuring reliable connectivity with zero downtime. For operators managing EV chargers worldwide, eSIMs eliminate logistical headaches. Chargers can be activated, updated, and managed remotely. No need for physical SIM replacements, making global expansion faster and more efficient. With eSIM technology, EV charging stations are more reliable, scalable, and future-proof than ever. As the EV industry grows, seamless connectivity will be the key to keeping charging networks efficient and always online. Want to learn more about the power of eSIMs for EV charging? Check out our website for connectivity solutions that keep your business moving. Thanks for watching.